I look like a clown. Hey guys, so in today's video, we're gonna be trying out viral TikTok makeup hacks. I don't know about you, but these are all over my For You page. I spend so much time watching these. They're just so creative. I'm just like, how do these people even come up with this? But I think we're all kind of left with the same thing. Like, do these actually work? Are they useful? Or is it just a waste of time? So I'm going to be testing some of the most popular ones on my face today so that you don't have to, and so that I can let you know whether or not they do actually work. So if you are interested in sticking around and seeing that, then please keep on watching. So this first hack is a super viral one, and I am sure that you have seen it. It is the viral eyeshadow blending technique. Basically, you put vertical stripes of eyeshadow on your eyes and then blend it out, and it's meant to give you the most perfect eyeshadow look. I'm going to use this Too Faced palette to try this today. Taking a flat brush, I'm first picking up the dark color, and you basically just draw it in a vertical line. Whoa, that's so weird. You want to then take a slightly lighter color, put it next to it. That one goes there. I don't know. All right, slightly lighter again. And then finish with the lightest color right on the inner corner. Okay, that looks like a hot mess. And then you just take a clean blending brush and you basically blend all of those together. I just don't know, you guys. Yeah, it already just seems like a patchy mess to me. Oh, wait up. Wait up, wait up, wait up. I think that's working. Okay, I'm having to blend for quite a while to sort of get this super flawless on the skin. Okay, clean up the edges. Yeah, it has definitely blended out. I wouldn't necessarily say that it's easier than, you know, smudging a brown eyeshadow all over and then putting a little dark in the outer corner and something lighter on the inner corner, but it definitely works. So I'm going to give that one a thumbs up. Okay, so next we have a viral mascara hack that apparently makes it look like you are wearing falsies, except only using mascara. Let's do a little side-by-side comparison and compare the two. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm going to apply my mascara how I would normally apply it. So sort of starting at the bottom of the lash, wiggling it and sweeping it upward, holding the brush on a horizontal angle. This mascara really is so good. It's actually because of TikTok that I even discovered this mascara. Do the lower lashes. Okay, so those are my lashes with one coat of mascara applied the normal way that I would. Now with this hack, you take your mascara wand, you hold it vertically, and you actually rub the wand through your lashes. This is probably going to make such a mess, but you basically rub it side to side, which I guess helps coat those lashes up. And then you take the brush and you sort of fan them out. Okay, so I feel like it's definitely applied a lot more volume at the tips of the lashes in comparison to how I normally apply it, but they also do look more spidery, and it's also caused mascara to transfer onto my lids. What do you think? What side do you prefer? Normal application or vertical? I can't decide. I wouldn't say necessarily it looks like falsies, but there is a lot more volume. Whether or not you necessarily need to apply it this way, or you could just apply 2 coats, it definitely works though. There you go. Okay, next up we have a concealer hack, and I am super intrigued by this one. I am seeing everybody try this at the minute, but to me, it looks super daunting and super overwhelming because it seems like a lot of concealer is being used. So I'm not sure how that's going to sit on my textured skin situation. So basically, rather than applying your concealer in the conventional way underneath your eyes, you basically trace this shape kind of around your nose, like under your eyes, around your nose, around your mouth, and then back up to your ear. It's kind of like this real sort of like artsy mask kind of effect on your face. Now, everybody that is actually doing this hack is using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. So let's do exactly the same thing. So she starts kind of up here. Oh, this feels really bizarre. She traces it underneath her eye, around her nose, down her mouth, around her mouth, and then back up. Kind of like that. What have I done, guys? And then taking my foundation sponge, you basically just blend that in. And from what I can tell, this gives like a super lifted sort of structure to the face. It does seem like a lot of concealer though. Oh, I'm not hating how it's looking so far. I mean, you can definitely see the product on the skin because obviously, like I said, it is a lot of product, but it has really lifted my eye on this side. Like if you look at the two sides comparatively, this side looks lifted and more sculpted. What do you think? Do you think that it works? And it does also add like a bit of a contour kind of effect, like definition and structure through the face there. Interesting. Very interesting. Let's do it on the other side now to make it match. So around the nose, around the mouth and then from the corner of the mouth. It feels really weird when you put it on like this. I will say that much. Yeah, I do feel like it does lift the eyes. And I'm also making sure to kind of blend it up rather than to drag the concealer down. And then we have both sides done. What do you think? Do you like it this way or do you like it the normal way that I apply concealer? I do feel like probably for me with my textured skin, it's a wee bit too much product. I feel like it's going to get cakey, but it definitely does lift and sculpt the face. But I'd love to know if you've tried this and what you think of it. Okay, so next up I'm going to be trying out I want to call it like the ice cream cheek hack. It's where you apply a cream contour, a cream blush, and then a cream highlighter in 3 stripes on either sides of your face, and then you blend them out. So with this one, we want to take a cream contour stick. This one is from Clinique. And draw it sort of where you would normally apply your contour. You then want to take a cream blush stick. This one is from Colourpop. Draw it directly on top. Oh, that one's like a nice sort of a light colour. Whoa. And then lastly, finish off with a cream highlighting stick right on top, sort of on your cheekbones. It definitely looks like ice cream on my skin. There's no denying that. And then taking a foundation sponge, you basically blend those 3 colours into the skin. Will they even blend in? That is the question. Oh my God, it's actually working. What? I was super skeptical of this one, but it actually looks really good on my skin. You're kidding me, right? That works, you guys, literally. Oh, I actually love how natural that looks too. It's given me definition, color, and glow, but it still looks really natural on the skin. That's amazing. Let's do it again on this side and see if we get exactly the same result. So contour, then we go in with the blush, and then finally the highlighter. I mean, it looks so weird to start. Blending them together. And I am again making sure to blend upwards rather than downwards because we don't want to pull the contour down our face. Obviously, whenever you are contouring, you want to lift. The whole idea is to lift and to sculpt. So always blend upwards and not downwards. You guys, literally, I am so shocked. It is just incredibly natural on the skin and it takes 2 seconds to blend out. I really expected to have like 3 stripes on my face and, you know, it just looked like a hot mess. But I really, really like this. Comment down below if you've tried this hack and how it worked for you. I am fascinated by this. All right, so next up, we're gonna try out the viral nose contouring hack. This one, again, the before and after results that I've been watching on TikTok for way too much time. It's low-key embarrassing. I'm astonished by this, literally. So what you want to do is you want to take a small eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use our lip brush to do this because I feel like this is the right width. You want to take like a skinny one so it's not too wide because you obviously don't want your nose contour to be too wide. If you use a nose contour that's too wide, it makes your nose look wider, not slimmer. So I think that this one, I think that's too big. Yeah, too big. I feel like this one's perfect. You then want to take your bronzer or contour powder, this one here is from Milani, and pick it up on your normal bronzing brush. Line up the eyeshadow brush, and then you want to apply the bronzer around it. Whoa, this feels so weird, you guys! And make sure you really kind of get it on there. And then you take the brush off. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, maybe that's a bit better. Maybe if you use up and down. Oh yeah, it's definitely contoured my nose, but I feel like it's actually made my nose look larger than it normally would when I contour it. Like, I kind of just look a little sunburned. Maybe if I try and touch up with some highlight, maybe that'll change it a little. Okay, I think that it definitely works, but I may need more practice because it did look a little bit crooked. But let me know, what do you think of this hack? Do you think that it works? And do you think my nose looks bigger or smaller? All right, so this next hack, Kind of scared, kind of anticipating a failure, but also kind of excited because some of these other hacks I've been blown away by. This is the viral lipstick hack that's just blowing up absolutely everywhere. And to do this, you essentially need a lip liner. I keep seeing the trend done in either a red or like a brown lip. So I thought, let's try it with a red lip today. So yeah, a red lip liner. You then want a red liquid lipstick and then a matching gloss. You do need all three of these products to do this. Okay, so to do this, you want to take the lip liner and purse your lips and draw over the top of the lip and underneath the bottom. So starting in the corner first, and then go in next with the red liquid lipstick, and then finally finish by adding a tiny little bit of gloss in the center of the lips. And then you basically unpurse your lips to see the final result. Okay. This does not work. I look like a clown. You guys, I look like Ronald McDonald the clown. I want to say confidently, based, like, have I done this wrong? Please let me know, because it's a no for me. This looks absolutely crazy. They are just so dramatically overlined and they're kind of like wider in the outer corner. Oh, that is scary. No, this is what nightmares are made of. Let me know in the comments, have you tried this hack and did it work for you, or did you end up looking like this too? Okay, I wiped it off immediately. I just couldn't. Oh, that one was a big fail. Honestly, the cheek hack was my absolute favorite, but I would love to hear from you guys. Have you tried any of these hacks? Which one was your favorite? And how did your results go? I would love to know. But I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye, guys.